LK Lifestyles Videos presents a paleo, grain-free, and gluten-free dinner favorite for your Instant Pot. This Italian classic combination is so easy that anyone can make it with just a few simple ingredients. Sometimes paleo and grain-free recipes are complicated and have a ton of hard-to-find ingredients. But this dinner has only a few ingredients, and they can be found at your local grocery store. In just about 20 minutes, you can have a great, healthy, paleo-friendly meal. Here at LK Lifestyles, I try to make life simple with short videos and easy solutions. Like and subscribe to my channel for new paleo and grain-free recipes every week. Here are the ingredients you will need to make sausage, onions, and peppers in your Instant Pot. 2 tablespoons of avocado or olive oil for frying. 2 teaspoons chopped fresh garlic. 5 links of sweet Italian sausage. 1 green pepper, 1 red pepper, and a medium onion chopped. 1 can of Rotel tomatoes, mild or fire roasted. Italian seasonings. I really like McCormick Perfect Pitch. Salt and pepper to taste. Now let's make the sausage, onions, and peppers. Press the sauté function on the Instant Pot and add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. When it's hot, add the garlic and the sausage links to the pot. Flip the sausages after 3 minutes to brown them on both sides. Remove the links to a separate plate and press Cancel Stop on the Instant Pot. Place all of your chopped vegetables and the Rotel tomatoes in the Instant Pot. Add your seasonings and stir to combine. Lay the sausage links on top of the vegetables. Use manual high pressure to cook the dish for 7 minutes and then release the steam carefully. That's it, it's done. I like to serve these sausages over my favorite sweet potato starch noodles. Hopefully this dish will become an easy go-to favorite in your house too. Feel confident that this dish is totally paleo, grain-free, and low in sugar. Subscribe to LK Lifestyles and hit that bell so that you don't miss a new video.